All right, good evening, everybody. This is the review for the subject and predicate. Subject and predicates. Um, in any sentence, we need the subject and the predicates together because having them together eliminates what it's called sentence fragment. So this is why we emphasize the importance of subject and predicates because they eliminate sentence fragments. This is why we teach you that in class. The only time that you don't see a subject and predicates in a sentence or when you have an interjections and it's meant to stand alone, such as oh or ouch. These it's not a complete sentence. So this is the only exception when you see an interjection that stands alone. That's not a complete sentence. If anything else, it needs to be a complete sentence. All right. And in order to have a complete sentence, that sentence needs a subject and predicate. So, complete sentence. It has a subject. And it does have a predicate. Now, your subject it has two, it splits into two parts, simple and complete, right? So, and your predicate, it does the same thing. You have the simple and complete predicate. Now, sometimes, simple subject equal to complete subject, simple predicate equal to the complete predicate. Why or how? For example, let's take a look at an example for a second here. Birds fly. Birds, it's your noun. It's your simple and complete subject. Fly, it's the verb, main verb. It's the simple and complete predicate. So something we're gonna explain that later. Just bear with me with this part. But sometimes think of this. Sometimes simple subject equal to the complete subject. Simple predicates equal to the complete predicates. Let's take a look at the simple subject. So, what is the simple subject? Always a noun or pronoun. Usually one word, but it can be longer sometimes. It does not include words that modify or describe. What does that mean? For example, if I said dog, right? Just this is the noun, dog, right? The dog, your dog is a noun. And I'm not saying it's black, long, tall, big, short. I'm not saying any color. So I'm not describing the dog. So the simple subject just, always a noun or pronoun, just the name without any description to it. Always part of the complete subject. So it's always part of the complete subject. Let's take a look at the example. The big black dog ran fast. So the big black dog ran fast. So what is the subject here? So what is the noun or pronoun in here? Oh, the dog is the noun. So usually in a word, it doesn't include anything that describe it, and it's there. I have a big and black, so no. So I cannot include these in my simple subject. So just the simple word, the simple word is going to be dog is your simple subject. All right. Now, complete subject includes all the words that identify the person, place, thing, or idea the sentence is about. The big black dog ran fast. Again, here you go. The big black dog. So now it's the big black dog. That's the big black dog is your complete subject. Now, say for example, I said this dog ran fast, and I have two dogs in front of me. So how do I know which one is which? So this is why you need to have a complete subject. The big black dog. The description of your particular subject, it needs to be there. All right, now let's take a look at simple subject at sometimes equal to the complete subject. You are walking fast. You are walking fast. So the simple subject here, it's you, but it's also the complete subject because nothing. I'm not describing. I don't have any description. I don't have anything that added to the simple subject. So it's you is the simple and the complete subject. The simple predicate, the verb phrase. So what's the verb phrase? It has a main verb and it has any helping verb. So the simple predicate is the verb phrase which is split into a main verb and any helping verb. So now, when there are no helping verbs, the verb phrase will consist of one word which is the main verb. So the simple predicates is the verb phrase. The verb phrase is split into two parts, main verb and any helping verb. Now, sometimes if there is no helping verb, the simple predicate will be the main verb and the end of it. So let's take a look at some examples. I run. All right, so run here is the main verb, and there is no helping verb, right? So my simple predicate is run, right? I am running. Oh, that's the helping verb. Am is a helping verb, and running is the main verb. So main verb running plus one helping verb, am. I could be running. Oh, I could be is two helping verbs plus the main verb running. Okay. I should have been running. Wow, that's three words now. Mark to red. These are three helping verbs. So main verb running plus three helping verbs. So what are they? The helping verbs. I mean, how many are they there? All right. There are 23 helping verbs. You need to memorize these guys. 23 helping verbs. Am, is, are, was, were, be, been. All right. Do, does, did, have, has, had, can, will, shall, may, must, could, would, should, might. All right. Now, how do I memorize 23 verbs, Mr. Mo? Easy. All right. Look at the first one. Am, do, have, can, and try to drive the rest of it. Am, all right, that's the verb to be. So you have is, are, was, were, be. And now you have verb, be, been, being. So try to memorize them. There are 23 helping verbs that they come next to the main verb. So you need to memorize these guys. So helping verb plus, let me go back to the screen. Very essential. Helping verb plus the main verb, it makes your simple predicate. Pay attention to that, okay? You need to, and sometimes you could have up to 3 helping verbs in a sentence. I'm not going to give you that 3 helping verbs in an exam, but I'm just saying it could be. All right. All right. Now, complete predicate. What is the complete predicate? The part of the sentence that is not a complete subject. Okay, I got that. So the complete subject is one end, the complete predicate is another end. It includes all the words that tell you or ask something about the subject. So it tells you something or asks you something about the subject. Simple predicate is always part of the complete predicate. Okay, can I get an example, please, so I can know what you're talking about? All right. Before we take an example, let's take a look at the simple predicate is sometimes equal to the complete predicate. Let's take a look at the big dog ran one more time. The big dog ran. So ran is your main verb, but it's also, there is no helping verb. There is nothing else in there other than just ran. So ran is the simple and the complete predicate. All right. Let's take a look at some example of the complete predicate. The big dog ran fast. So the big dog, it's the subject. Ran fast is the main verb. Fast. Now, do I have a helping verb in here? No, I don't. So ran fast is my complete predicate. The big dog is running fast. The big dog is running fast. So now is my helping verb. Running is the main verb. So is running is my simple predicates. Is running fast is my complete predicate. All right. So let's take a look at some of the examples, guys. The sun finally came out after weeks of rain. Oh, the sun finally came out after weeks of rain. What is that? So, all right. What is the sentence? Now, ask yourself, what is the sentence is about? It's about a sun that it's coming out after weeks of rain. So the sentence, what is my simple subject? The sun, right? And what is the sun? What the sun did or does or do in the sentence? It's came, right? So the main verb is came. So the sun is the simple subject and the predicate, the simple predicate came. Do I have any helping verb in here? No, I have the finally out after a week. No, I have no helping verb in here. Okay, so sun, simple subject, came, simple predicate. All visitors should report to the office. All visitors should report. What is my simple subject? All visitors, right? What the sentence is about, visitors coming to the office. So my simple subject, easy, visitors. What is my simple predicate? Should report. Why I have should in the report verb? Oh, should is the helping, one of them helping verbs. So should plus the main verb report, it will give me that simple predicate. Did you see Jim when he came home? Oh, what's that? So, all right, let me go back. It's what are the sentences about? What are the sentences talking about? About, you seeing Jim when he came home, right? Sentences about you seeing Jim when he came home. So my simple subject, it's you, right? That's perfect. Now, the simple predicate, what's the main verb in here? See. But what did is a helping verb. So helping verb plus the main verb is the simple predicate. So did see is my simple predicate. You, on the other hand, is your simple subject. How many times do I have to ask you to do your homework? How many times do I have to ask for whatever I want to ask? So I is the simple subject. That's it. Nothing else in there. Do and have is the simple predicate. Do remember these guys. That means the helping verb plus the main verb. All right. Did the airline tickets finally arrive? All right. So the tickets here is your simple subject. Arrive is the main verb. Did is the helping verb. So did arrive is the simple predicate. Bill is coming to dinner, Randy said. So who's coming to dinner and who said? Who's coming to dinner and who said? So Bill is coming to dinner. So the Bill is the simple subject. Also, Randy said something. So Randy is a sentence about Bill is coming and Randy that said something. So the simple subject in this sentence is Bill and Randy. The simple predicate for Bill is coming and Randy said. So this is perfect. Now, let's look at these examples that they are part of your quiz. The sun finally came out after weeks of rain. So what is my simple subject? Mansoor, what is my simple subject? Come on, Fahad. Tell me. The sun, right? What is my simple predicate? Sadun, what is my simple predicate? Come on, I know you know it. Came. So the simple subject, sun, simple predicate, came. All visitors should report to the office. Simple subject. Come on, guys. What is the simple subject? Visitors, correct. What is my simple predicate? Should report. Oh, wow. You guys smart. Should report. Why do I have should report in there? Report is the main verb. You're right. And should is one of the helping verb. So should report is your simple predicate. Perfect. You guys are killing it. Perfect. Did the airline tickets finally arrive? Did the airline ticket finally? What is my simple subject? What is the sentence about? It's about a ticket, right? Tickets. What is my simple predicate? It's about what? Did arrive. So why do I have a did arrive in there? Well, arrive is the main verb, but did, it's one of the helping verbs. 23 helping verbs, guys. Brush your teeth after every meal. What is the sentence about? This is a little tricky. I know it's a tricky, but I know you can do it. All right, Mokrin, come on, tell me. I know you can do this. Brush your teeth after every meal. The sentence about you brushing your teeth, right? So my subject, it's you brushing your teeth. So what's my predicate? The verb brush. Do I have any helping verb in here? No, I don't have any helping verb. So my simple predicate is brush. A problem with his car made him late. So what is the sentence about? Sentence about what? Come on, Nayar. What is the sentence about? Sentence about a problem with his car. And what this problem did made him late. So my made is your simple predicate. I don't have any helping verbs, so made is the simple predicate. Perfect. You guys are doing very good. I don't know, but it's actually I do not know. And then the way I broke it down, that your helping verb, it doesn't have any negative in there. So the do is one of your helping verb. So now my simple subject, easy, I. Simple predicate is what? Do know. Not do not know, do know. Because your help plus the main verb. Your helping verb is do, your main verb is know. So combine them together would be do know. Perfect. All right. Didn't anyone ever tell you that you should not talk with your mouth full? So the sentence is about anyone telling you something that you should not do something, right? So the simple subject here is about anyone telling you something that you should not be doing something. So about anyone and you is your simple subject. Simple predicate, anyone tell you, it did tell you. So now the verb, the helping verb did plus the main verb tell. So anyone tell is the, tell here is the main verb and the helping verb did. And you should not talk. So now should plus the main verb talk will be your simple predicate. It's a little tough. This is a little tough, but again, these are quizzes, online quizzes, guys, you are taking, so I expect a little bit more work on your end. But here are the answers. If you have any question, please post it on video, and good luck on the exams. I'm gonna try to post more reviews, so stay tuned. Talk to you later. Bye.